Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create perfect circle in WPS Office. If you would like to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and here you can find really useful settings. One of them are shapes. We need to click on it, and then from the list we need to select this one option. This option is oval. We need to click on it, and now it is very important to press and hold Shift from your keyboard. Then you will be able to create a perfect circle on your document. How you see, it has been successfully created here. Of course, you can change color of this circle. You can click here to change shape fill. And for example, I'm going to change it to green. And you can modify the outline if you want. You can click on shape outline settings. And for example, I'm going to change it to black. So I click on it. And how you see, it really works. So in this way you can create a perfect circle in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.